To show search suggestion while searching something with S Finder on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the right side of the search bar. And then tap setting. Next, tap the gray on offset next to show search suggestion until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key. Type something on the search bar. As you are typing the keyword, your phone will display some suggestions that are related to what you are searching. If needed, you can tap one of the search suggestions to search it using S Finder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.